Hello madam, I'm Ganesh. I'm doing this video to present you my internship report. I hope you are fine over there and I pray to the God to ease all your works and keep you safe. I have did my internship in Entradil, an international business consultant and trading group. So I'm glad to introduce to you about my company. Entradil is an initiation by international consultants and traders to help its global clients achieve even the most complicated business ambition in Asia. We have headquarters in both Malaysia and Russia, and we are also operating in Dubai and Singapore. Entradil has successfully achieved and satisfied its international clients by abolishing the communication and liability labor law. Due to the concrete establishment of Entradil in Asia and the vital experience as traders and consultants, Entradil has been able to cater any sort of ambition required by the global clients. Entradil places an emphasis on transparency and sincerity. Now I'm going to explain you about what we are doing, the industry that our company has stepped in. First, I would like to explain the trading. Entradil is a part of a team of international experienced traders. We are capable of producing products from all around to meet the client's requests. Second is the customs and logistic industry. We solve any customs and logistic activity around the Asian and Russian regions. In order to penetrate a new market, domestic customs and domestic logistics activities must be clearly understood. And the third is business consultancy. We provide SWOT analysis to the clients who have a desire to initiate business in the Asian and Russian regions. Next is about marketing and distribution. We help clients distribute and market their products and services in countries around the Asia and Russian regions mainly, and also we try to bring in to other countries around the world. Next is about conference, expo and other events. We organize and register clients for expos held around the Asia and Russia regions depending on the nature of business. We also have successfully done expos in Russia. Next is partner search and B2B meetings. We organize business to business meets around the world depending on the client's request. We also have stepped in tourism industry. We provide travel tourism services in Asian and Russian regions. We assist with visa, accommodations, transportation and other tourism related matters. And then license. Entradil helps to apply for license in different jurisdictions depending on the desire of our global clients. Next is legal and secretarial services. Entradil supports clients with secretarial services around the globe, and we also provide solutions to legal matters in Russia, Malaysia and Singapore. Now I am going to explain about the role of department. There are four important departments in our company, which is marketing, administration, management and human resource management. For the marketing, they will help the clients to find new market for their products and conducting customer and market research to define target markets and opportunities. The administration department will coordinate office activities and operation to secure efficiency and compliance to company policies. They also will create and update records and database with personal, financial and other data. They need to submit timely reports and prepare presentation or proposals as the director assigned them. Next is management. The management department will manage the projects and advise on developing and overseeing of organization's activities. They also will represent the organization at relevant industry trade shows, designing unique plans for individual products and attends the meetings. Lastly, the HR management. They will developing and implementing human resource strategies and initiatives aligned with the overall business strategy. They also need to bridging management and employee relationship by addressing demands, grievances, or other issues. And they have to manage the recruitment and also selection process. Sometimes they also will responsible for the workers' disciplinary actions. Madam, now I'm going to share to you about the most interesting part of the internship journey, which are the activities that I have done in my internship period. Okay. The entire working period in Entradale was really very interesting. Every day I have to meet new challenges and I have learned many things during the internship period. The task will be assigned to me by the director Dr. Ray. The director is very kind to me and will teach everything to me. If the director is possible to meet me at office, he will explain the task and also will guide how to do the work. Let's say he is busy, he will send the task in email or WhatsApp. Every day the director makes sure there is progress to me in the office. My position in the company is administration cum marketing executive. Firstly, I would like to explain about the bank activities that I usually do in office. The director asked me to go to bank and do some telegraphic transfer to foreign transactions to other foreign companies. It is about marketing, which is most challenging to me entire the working period. I'm very new to the marketing field. Before this, we have studied about marketing in university, but this is the very first time I'm going to implement in the job. I was working with a marketing manager and we were assisting wholesalers, retailers, or the distributors, basically from Russia, to bring their products or brand to trade market. We have to develop strategies to generate interest to the client's product, and also create demand for the product at the wholesalers and retail organization. For example, during the working time, we get the products like sunflower oil from Russia and also protein bars, which is protein supplements from a local company in Russia also. We take this case and we are assigned to find a market for the product. Usually I have to work after the office hours for this marketing because the time zone is different. Sometimes we have to talk to customers in overseas like Bosnia and also in USA. Their time zones are different, so we have to work after the office hours. So the next will be homework. What I mean by homework is I have to do some extra works after the office hours. Basically I need to do a research on the client's product to achieve their requirements before we jump into the field work. So we will be doing the SWOT analysis for the company or our clients. The next will be dispatch. Sometimes my director asks me to go and send some files to the headquarters of our company in KL. I'm assigned to find new clients for our business consultation and promote the company. Whenever I meet new people, I will introduce myself as an employee of Entradil and I am doing international trade. And I will give my business card to them. We have to work with customs department and also trade department. As the company involves in import and export, we should always alert with the country's rules and regulations. At customs, I will get the HS code of the product that we are importing in local or the product we are going to export. We can understand the procedures and also the rules and regulations we have to follow. There are several issues faced by our company, which is culture becomes a barrier to some products. This is mainly for food products. For example, we have get clients from sunflower oil manufacturer company and also protein bar manufacturer company. They want to bring the products to Asian countries. It's hard to sell the sunflower oil because the demand for the sunflower oil is very low. Most of the Malaysians are using the palm oil, so we had some challenges to find buyers for the sunflower oil. The next is barriers for engaging. I would like to tell that we had faced some barriers for the communication because some people in foreign countries are not very good in English. So next is about local politics and regulations. Some countries with strict rules and regulations are very hard for us to work with the clients in their country. The next main issue is competitors with same product. For sunflower oil, there are already existing distributors in Malaysia. When our clients from Russia wants to penetrate the market in Malaysia, they feel quite hard. Next is recommendation part. Enlarge the network. We have to try to get a business partner in few countries to make the work more easier and make the communication more clear. Sometimes we need to travel to the places that can grab opportunities. If we really look at opportunities in the country, we can go there and do some field work because in online many are fakes and scams. Second is to find a suitable market for product. Our company should improve the payment method. Our company is practicing cash in advance method. This will be safe for the company, for the seller, but the buyer will feel insecure. We can try letter of credit or bank payment obligation methods. Next is bring in essential product to our trading because when we are doing trading with essential product, our business will still going on even the crisis time, like what's happening right now. We can trade the medical products, we can trade cooking oils as that. Next, I am going to explain about the skills that I have obtained throughout the training. First, I got improved in my communication skill when I'm talking with foreigners, and then I'm still learning the marketing techniques, and it will be useful for me after the internship period also. And learn to work independently when the director or other staffs is not around the company or they are busy doing their works. I don't always rely on them. Next is team building works. I always work with my colleagues. I try to learn from them. Sometimes they have scold me, but I accept in a good way because I always want to learn the thing. I also got improved the skills in customer service management while attending the phone calls, and I have improved myself in time management. I always come punctual to the company. My manager have teach me to use Microsoft Excel, and I have improved my knowledge in doing the Excel. Next will be problems I have encountered during training period. First, when I entered the working field, I had lack of confidence and communication skills. As our company is doing trading, I have introduced to new logistic terms and shipment names, and I had do some homeworks and some research to learn about the terms and understand the payment methods also. And the next problem is hard to reach companies with expired email address and wrong numbers when I'm doing marketing work. Some companies they really don't allow to talk with their superiors, and the call will be cut off from the customer service department. So I can't go further to talk with the procurement department to sell our product.
We have come to the end of this presentation. I sincerely appreciate your attention to this video. Thank you very much for watching, madam.